Welcome back everybody to TechExpress. Let's dive into the world of Pictory AI, a popular tool for creating faceless videos. Faceless videos are gaining popularity, especially for creators who prefer not to be on the camera. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, professional presentation, Pictory AI offers an innovative solution. Let's explore how to harness Pictory AI for creating compelling faces videos into the 2023. So Pictory AI. Pictory is an online platform that allows you to create videos using AI technology. It's perfect for making tutorials, explaining videos, or content for social media without the need to film it or being on camera. First, you want to ensure that you have an account with Pictory AI. If not, you can sign up into their website. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so you can have your free trial, and you may be having a huge discount if you wanted to try out with the basic plans that appears into Pictory.ai. Once you get started with the sign-in version, it's going to be seeing you something like this. Usually what we do once again is to choose a actual Gmail account, since all the basic information is going to be added automatically, and we can be focusing into the basic, which is creating our very first project. So after you get started with the free trial version, let's say for example that I wanted to monetize YouTube and start using Pictory. So let's craft and let's start with a new project by choosing the type of video you want to create. Pictory AI offers options like text to video, video editing, and much more. For faceless videos, the text to video option is a great place to get started with. So here, let's say for example, script to video. I'm going to hit into proceed, and then here you can stop by typing here or paste your script using Ctrl+UB. In this case, I'm going to generate something created by and for the ChatGPT. Alright, so here I have something easy. I'm going to type here, and as you can see here, all the characters. You can highlight stuff. For example, let's say Pictory AI, highlight this. TechExpress tutorials, I'm going to highlight this. TechExpress tutorials, once again, I'm going to highlight this. And lastly, I'm going to highlight once again TechExpress tutorials. And lastly, how to create captivating content like this. And there we go. So as you can see, now I'm going to hit now into proceed. You're going to input your script and the content into Pictory AI. The platform will generate visual based on your text. You can customize the visual by choosing from a library of stock, images, footage. You want to upload your own. The artificial intelligence will suggest imagery based on your script, but you have full control to make changes than you needed. So for example, let's say that I choose marketing like this. And I choose the aspect ratio of 16:9 because I wanted to upload my video into YouTube. So you can add voiceover and music later. Adding a voiceover, you can use Pictory AI's text-to-speech feature for an AI-generated voice or upload your own voice recording. Additionally, you can enhance your video with background music from Pictory AI's library. You want to choose a voice that fits the tone of your video and music that complements the content. So I'm going to hit now into get started, or just click into the X mark. I'm going to close this and check out what we have so far. Of course, this is just a watermark, but check out what we have so far. We have scene number 1, we have the scene number 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to be your guide throughout the exciting journey. Scene preview. It actually looks great so far. So let's say that I wanted to add, let's say like now, a few text here, a few text to speech. So I choose the creator, for example. I'm going to go for audio, voiceover, and here realistic voices are here. Now finalizing and exporting your video. Once you're happy with the visuals, voiceover, and music, preview your video with Pictory AI, make any file adjustment, then export your video into the desired format.
Where we'll be delving into the world of video editing for the TechExpress Tutorials YouTube channel. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through this exciting journey.
Once you're happy with the visuals, voiceover, and music preview, your video within Pictory AI, make any final adjustment and export your video into the desired format. So Pictory, once again, I'm going to hit into download. You have the video. You can download this preset of social video posted later, but I'm going to hit now into video, and the pre-processing scenes are going to be generated for us. And there you have it, a complete guide to create faceless video with Pictory AI. This tool opens new possibilities for content creation, especially if you prefer not to be on camera. So if this Pictory AI tutorial was helpful, guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Express for more content creation guides. If you have any questions or unique ways to use Pictory AI, share them into the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy video making. Stay tuned for more tutorials to boost your digital creativity, guys. See you guys on the next video.